In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can multiply or divide two fractions. Looking at the question on the left-hand side, to divide two fractions, we first of all keep the first fraction the same. We flip the second fraction, and as a result, this turns the problem from a division question into a multiplication question. Now that I've got it as a multiplication question, we multiply the tops, and then we multiply the bottoms. So I get 7 times 8 over 9 times 7. This gives me 56 over 63. And whenever you've got a fractional answer, always check to see it can't be simplified. Here I can divide both the top and the bottom by 7. And I get 8 over 9. Now I could have arrived at 8 over 9 in a slightly easier way. Looking at some of my calculations, you'll notice that I was multiplying both 8 by 7 and 9 by 7. Because I'm multiplying both my numerator and denominator by 7, I could have crossed these out, and it would have left me 8 over 9, without having to simplify the calculations to 56 over 63. I could have just jumped straight to the final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. As you can see, we've already got a multiplication question. So I need to multiply my numerators, then my denominators. 4 times 3 over 9 times 8 gives 12 over 72. Both my numerator and denominator have a common factor of 12, so dividing both my numerator and denominator by 12 gives 1 over 6.